What's up, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. Today we are installing the Optima battery here in the Jeep Wrangler. Battery installation is basically straight across the board. Either got top terminal post or you'll have side terminal post. Doesn't matter if it's this battery or not. But this is one we're going with for the Jeep, so that's what we'll use today. First, we're going to want to pop the hood. So you want to locate the battery and disconnect the negative and then the positive. Mine takes a 13 millimeter wrench. Most of them are around 12, 13, or 14 millimeters. Yeah. What? Alright, got our die-hard battery installation kit here. Basically keeps the battery from corroding so bad. A little bit of silicone grease and then a black and a red. Basically creates a barrier between the battery shell and your terminals. Tear this. Do a little bit on each one. We'll spread it around here in a second. Everything kick on. Alright, there we have it. Basically, you just need to make sure your plus sign here is your positive, is all your red cables. Then your negative here is your minus symbol. That'll be all your black cables stuff. So, pretty easy 5-10 minute job and stuff. If you ever need to change out your battery, that's how you do it. Alright guys, if this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.